Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead program sponsored by taxbuddy.com. And last few days, the markets have been falling continuously. FIIs are selling continuously. As I said earlier, there seems to be some problem. Otherwise, when the world markets are mostly trading at all-time high, there is no reason for Nifty to fall nearly 1000 points. Nifty has fallen nearly 1000 points from recent high, that too in a matter of 1 week. Look at the Bank Nifty. It has fallen more than 3000 points in just a matter of 1 week. So we don't know what is going on, but SGX Nifty closed about 50 points higher on Friday night. But SGX Nifty always track the global cues and it does not know the local cues. So probably something might have happened during the weekend. So Monday we may open slightly positive, but whether we are going to sustain or another sell-off will come, that we don't know. But coming week, it's a truncated week. So there are only 3 trading sessions, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. And of course, on Thursday, there's a short 1 hour trade is there. And the 3rd November, the State Bank of India result is there. So usually in the past, I have seen when Bank Nifty was very bearish, the Bank Nifty turns around after the State Bank result. And anyway, State Bank is likely to declare very good results. So we can hope for some kind of stability or slight reversal in the next few days on the back of some good results. And FIIs have already sold enough amount, and I do not know how much more they are planning. And what is worrying? Let us say I have lot of shares and I want to sell. I just want to book the profit. Then what I will do, I will sell some shares at 10 o'clock, some shares at 10:30, some shares at 11 o'clock, some shares at 11:30, so that I don't distort the market. So I'll be able to sell all the shares in a paced manner. But that has not happened in the last few days. People are just coming and putting huge amount of sell order at one go. And it's actually not good for them also. The markets fall suddenly 100 points, 200 points. Look at the Bank Nifty fell more than 1000 points. And this kind of behavior, it shows that as if they want to take revenge on somebody. So that is why I suspect some FPAs probably may not be happy with the government and they are trying to do these kind of things. But one good thing on Friday, DIIs have bought aggressively. In the previous few days when FIIs were selling aggressively, DIIs were not buying to match their selling. They bought very little. Even on Friday, DII buy was less than the FII selling, but it's quite decent. When FII sold 5,000 plus, DIIs have bought for 4,000 plus crores. So looking at the open interest, still 17,500 put option has highest open interest and that is intact. And call option highest open interest is showing 19,000, but that is probably because people are selling 18,000 call option and buying the 19,000 call option for margin benefit. I think for the next few days, the range will be definitely 17,500 to 18,600. Why 18,600? Though highest open interest is at 18,500 and markets went to 18,500 and then started correcting. So even for the entire November month, I think the range will be 17,500 to 18,600. And one more good thing on Friday, though market fell so much, Despite Bank Nifty falling so much and Nifty falling so much, the India VIX did not increase. And in fact, India VIX fell actually. So that is giving a hope that markets may stabilize at the lower level. And anyway, Friday's low should not be broken. If Friday's low is broken, then definitely we will conclude that FIIs are taking some kind of a revenge action. If everything goes well, we may start with a slightly plus and then we'll like to stabilize. And who knows, if there is a short covering, market can resume the rally also. So results wise, there is nothing big. Most of the companies have already come out with the results, and the only key company is the State Bank of India. But anyway, State Bank of India is expected to declare good results only. But public sector banks are like moving very violently, and Can Bank has moved violently higher, and PNB moved violently lower. So, in fact, the last few weeks after the results, most of the stocks are making violent move. So, next week, some IPOs are also there. So, but anyway, IPO market has been really very good. And some people are thinking, FIAs are selling in order to apply for big IPOs. But in my opinion, that is not true. How many of you know that FIAs do not have to pay money upfront for applying an IPO? As a retail investor, you and me have to put the money upfront. But FIAs, they don't have to put the money upfront. They can pay only after the allotment. So the bigger IPO comes, Paytm, which is on 8th of November. So they actually need money sometimes around 10th of November. Why they should sell all their stocks on 26th or 27th of October. So anyway, so we will see how the market goes. And it's going to be difficult to predict our market because we are not following the global cues. We are following a separate one. In fact, I've been in the market since 2007. In the last 14-15 years, every time if there is a correction that comes along with the global cues, there were only one reason why our markets corrected when the global markets are good. Always the FPI taxation issue. This FPI taxation issue is not the new one. It was there in 2007 also. Every now and then this comes and market crashes, and then the government compromises and they do something. But by the time the damage is already done. So that is what is happening now also. So let us see what happens. So we hope that yesterday's low is held. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching.